What's up? Garrett here with Self.dev. It's been about 4 months, a little over 4 months since I became a, a little over 4 months since I became a web developer. Had to remember because I started December 3rd and it's April 12th. And I was like, wait, is that 5 months or 4 months? But yeah, it's 4 months. So it's almost 5 months, I guess. I'm in the middle of 4 months, whatever. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over like the websites I built, some of the stuff I've learned, and where I'm at right now. So I've made a 2-month web developer video a while back. So I'm just gonna do this in the reverse order of the sites I've built. What you're looking at right now is one I'm working on right now, actually. It's for Red Rock. I think it's beautiful, dude. Like, look at this. Boom. The design is just so simple and it makes it look awesome. The big thing I gotta fix, like, I've only got 3 of the pages right now. So I've got the contact us page, I've got the testimonials page, and I've got the careers. Did I spell careers right? Yeah, I got the careers page. And you click on these things, they scroll down, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's super simple though. You just do like the A and you link to the ID attribute. But the design's awesome. Yeah, and you just need to fix this area on resize, and then I'll be done with those 3 pages, and I just have to wait till I get the home page and the about us and the process page from design. But that's Ring Logics. On this one, I guess I've worked on positioning pseudo elements a little bit more. When I started as a web developer, I'd never really worked with pseudo elements, so I've learned a lot about those since I started. This is one. This is like the before on the hero, and then this is after on the hero. And then this is just some element that's inline and everything that I positioned. Because you can't make pseudo elements have an on-click event unless you do some like weird hacking stuff, kind of. Not like hacking stuff, you just kind of have to like redneck it together. That's a phrase, right? But yeah, this is Red Rock. That's what I'm working on right now. This is a one I just built like last week. This is we've got like 3 or 4 sites, or maybe 5, due this month. So we're kind of busy right now. But this is Ring Logics. This is my favorite thing about it, but they don't like it. So this computer is an image, and then I got the YouTube video and I z-indexed it behind it, and you can hit play and it plays the video right in there, and it looks dope. And then if you resize the screen, turns into something else, and it turns into like a little pop-out player. And yeah, it does it right there too. And then right here, it just starts scaling back up to the real video. Because like at a certain point, the computer gets too small to have the video on it, and you'd kind of be staring at the screen pretty hard. That'd be annoying. So it just switches to just the computer with the play button, and it pops the video up. But they don't like how the YouTube image right here is blurry, so they want this on all the devices, which is annoying because this took me like 3 hours to build. So kind of upset about that. I wanted that on the site, but oh well. And then they've got this, God, my back hurts from like sitting all the time. I have to start walking more and doing more stretches. Good thing my cousin's a chiropractor, or learning to become one. Anyway, this is they've got this little like request a demo site. These blobs are just like, I think, are they pseudo elements? Yeah, they're just little pseudo elements I positioned behind everything. And then on this one, so Ring Logics, I learned a lot about form control, because I don't want to show you guys it, but basically we usually use gravity forms with our sites, which makes it super easy to integrate. You just click the form you want to add, put it on there, and then we link it to Campaign Monitor. So it'll send all the form data to Campaign Monitor, and we'll also set it to send all the form data to the client, so they get it that way as well. So they basically get it 2 ways. But this client uses something called like Zoho or something like that. So they basically gave us a custom HTML or custom form stuff they wanted to use, and I had to like integrate that. And that was a little bit of a challenge, but I got it working. So you fill out stuff, and it just basically redirects you to a form confirmation page that confirms that you submitted it. Partner login, I didn't build that. Client services, just more pictures, and basically their whole website's just trying to get you to fill out that form. Which I guess that's the point of a lot of websites, I guess. So those are all cool. And then we're back to ones that I think I showed in the last video. Like this one's a Magus. I don't know if I was still working on this or if I was done with it. But this one has this, what is it called? The JavaScript particles.js in the background. So it's got all these little particles in the background here, as you can see. And those are really cool. Those weren't too hard. I basically just like imported the library and then had to customize some JSON inputs, which were pretty easy. And then this stuff's like off-centered, some little globe element. Their forms, just the basic gravity form. Let's see, about us. These were kind of annoying to work with on mobile because eventually the circles start getting disproportionalized, so I just like split them up into sections like that. That was like the easiest way I could figure out how to do it, but it works. Go to services. So that's all the templated landing pages we give them. This one was pretty cool too, because this is like, it's the circle and the text is inside the circle, so it kind of has to go, I had to make it look like it was behind the circle. Layers, guys. Ogres have layers, onions have layers. You get it? But that was pretty fun to do. And you just like click it and it shows you more testimonials from them. And contact us. Sounds kind of lame. And those this is just like a little anchor tag that'll call them if you click on it on your phone. And then we got Stetson with their little cool video deal. I'm not going to go into these too much because those I know, I'm sure I covered those in the other one. TechTabit is leaving us though because they can't afford us. Sad face. I like their website. It's my first one, dude. It's kind of got like a connection to it. It'd be really sad when they leave. But yeah, those are the websites I built. So I'm getting like a little over one website a month. We've picked up lately, so I'm probably, I built Ring Logic this month. I gotta have Red Rock done within like a week, and then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the next website because Marvin's working on one right now, but he started his yesterday. I started Red Rock Wednesday. So as long as I finish mine before him, which I feel like I should, because I think I'm getting this down, I'll get the next one, and then he'll work on, I don't know what he'll work on. One of the other websites. But yeah, so that's what it's been like lately, just building websites, working on Basecamp tasks, like ISG. We were working on them for like literally a year because there were so many edits we had to make on it, and they just wanted it to be perfect, which is cool. But now that's finally live, they just have some edits on that as well. And then they want the search bar on their resources page, which also this one loads like slow as super slow. Like look at this, like it's still loading right now. I don't know why this is taking so long. Like even with the plugin, like one of the plugins I use is auto optimize, and that'll like minify all the CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Actually, I don't know if it minifies the HTML, but it compresses all the files and joins them all together so that it has to serve less resources from the server. And sometimes it doesn't minify them in the right order or like combine them in the right order. So some JavaScript functions don't work correctly. And that's what happens right now. Like if I turn it on, like the search bar and the cloud hosting, like these filters don't work. But right now, it basically pulls all their blog posts from the server in one request, and that's what's taking so long. I need to figure out a way to do like a lazy load or an infinite scroll thing where it continually requests more blog posts as you scroll down. I don't know how I'd do that. I feel like I need to know more PHP to do that, so I'm gonna have to figure that out, which will be fun. And what else do we do today? Starter site setup for Square 3. I can give that to Marvin actually, because he's working on Square 3. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now, building websites and having fun being a web developer. I'm on Team Treehouse too. I know if you've been following my videos, I think you're up to date on that. I'm on project number 4. Been on project number 4 for like a week. I've just been procrastinating, but I'm gonna get that done either today or tomorrow because I need to have that shit done already. So there's that. If you want to come hang out with the live stream, hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon, and then I think you get a notification when I start live streaming. You're welcome to come in and like ask questions or even like put comments in here. I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can on questions. Yeah, if you guys need anything else, feel free to reach out on socials, and I will see you next time. Peace.